Excuse me.
My name is Imo Bennett.
Sorry, I didn't get that.
Imo Bennett.
Okay. So, give us an assessment of the process. You've voted. Tell us.
I just voted, yes.
Okay.
Well, as you can see, the environment is very, very free, devoid of rancor or violence. Yes. And the Labour candidate just voted. I think you can see the security bodies and agents are around. Everything is moving smoothly as we expected. Yes. So I don't think we have not noticed or experienced any form of violence so far. Yes.
All right. But
yes.
you would also agree with me that the turnout is not so impressive. Why do you think this is so?
I believe some people believe that they have the belief that the election is yet to start. Most of them may still be at home, thinking that, like in the previous election, that of the presidential and the governorship, senatorial elections, people believe that it's going to be like that again today. Waiting for up to 12 p.m. before arrival of materials and INEC officials. But the reverse was the case today. They came up very early, so the election just started very early.
Okay. Do you feel safe, and do you believe other voters feel safe to come out and vote? Do you think that could be responsible for the low turnout?
Yes, of course, I believe so, because there has been this rumor about this hoodlums talking about sit at home order and all that. I believe that that can contribute to the low turnout of voters. Some people are scared; they wouldn't want to lose their life. But for some of us who know that security will be around, as you can see them flying up and down, so we are not afraid. Yeah. But for some people, I believe they are still at home because they are scared of coming out to vote. Yes.
All right. Thank you so much.
Thank you. You're welcome.
How the process was.
Yes, it went on very smooth. It's going on smoothly.
Okay.
I didn't find it hard to vote, and they gave preference to the elderly or those that are sick. They encourage them to come in first. So I think that is very orderly.
Okay.
And I thank God for everything.
No. Do you think the turnout is impressive?
Yes, it is, because they are coming. They've been coming since 8 o'clock. They came here on time and people have been coming. Okay. Even I was in the house when they told me that they have started, so I had to start rushing out. And people have been coming because I've been resting a bit and I'm going now.
All right. Finally, do you feel safe, and do you think other voters feel safe to vote? I mean, given the
Yes, here is calm. I think every precaution to make sure safety is ensured has been taken. So I really thank God for the efforts made.